Hi there my beading friends, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful beaded earrings. They are made only out of seed beads. So if you like them and you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe and check out my next upcoming videos. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials like this, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you decide to make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below, and I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay, so for this video what you're going to need are really simple stuff. You're going to need 2 colors of 11/0 seed beads. You could use 3 if you want, it depends on you. And you're gonna need ear wires, and you're going to need needle. Here I'm using beading needle size 10, and you will need beading thread or whatever thread you like. This one is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I use these pliers only to squeeze my monofilament to go through my needle. If you use regular beading thread, you won't need the pliers because you won't need to squeeze the thread. They are made flat and you don't need to squeeze them. And you need scissors, or I'm using this instrument to cut closer to my work. So now I'm going to start by taking about an arm span of thread, and I'll be back. Okay, and I'm going to start by taking 6 yellow beads. Okay, and I have my 6 here on my needle, and I'm going to slide them down. And then I will stick my needle in my mat and I will make a knot here. Okay? I'm making a loop and I'm going once, then I'm going second time with my tail thread through the loop I made, and then I'm pulling just like that. And now this is what I have. I have 6 beads in the center of my work. And now I'm going to start adding new beads. Okay, I'm taking 1 yellow bead and I'm exiting of one of my beads of my previous row. I'm going through the next one. Then I will take 1 more yellow and I'm going through the next bead here. Then 1 more, going through the next one. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat this 3 more times. Okay guys, now I have 1 more bead everywhere around my 6, so in my next row I also have 6, and now I'm going to start adding 3 beads. Okay, I have my 3 here and I'm going through the next yellow bead. Okay, then I'm taking 3 more beads, going through the next yellow. Okay, then 3 more, going through this one. Okay, then 3 more, going through the one that's sticking out. In this step I'm going through the beads that are sticking out everywhere. Okay, Okay, and it's time for the last one. I'm taking 3 yellows. Okay, and I'm going through the one that's sticking out from my previous row. Okay, and now this is what I have. It could be a little bit confusing, the last step, but just remember to go to the one that's sticking out from the second row and everything will be okay. So now I want to exit. This looks like a star and I want to exit here. Okay, now I want to take 3 red beads, 1 yellow, and then again 3 red beads. Okay, this is what I have, and I will go through the next one that's sticking out. Okay, and then I'm doing this again, 3 red, 1 yellow, and then again 3 red beads, going through the one that's sticking out. And guess what, guys? I'm going to repeat this 4 more times. Okay guys, and now I'm adding my last one here. I'm going through the one that's sticking out from my previous row. And don't worry, it bends and moves like this. Now what I'm going to do is go out here, then go 1 bead down here. And here what I want to add is red, yellow, and red one. Then I will go through this one here. Okay, then I'm going 1 bead to the center after my yellow bead at the top. Okay, and then I need red, yellow, and red. And pay attention, I'm going through this one here, 1 bead before the yellow bead. Okay, then 1 bead to the center, then again I'm taking red, yellow, and then again red. I'm going through here and I'm pulling, then 1 bead in this direction. Okay, and I'm gonna continue this and I'll be back when I'm ready. Okay guys, and I just finished this row, the same I showed you. So now what I want to do is go through all of those beads here and exit here next to my yellow bead. And this time I want to add 2 reds, 1 yellow, and then again 2 red beads. Okay, and I have them here, and now I'm going through this red one. Okay, then I want to skip these beads and go here. And here I want to add 2 reds, 1 yellow, and then again 2 red beads. And I'm going down through the next red one. Then I'm skipping the next 4 beads and I'm exiting to this yellow bead. And guess what? I'm taking 2 reds, 1 yellow, and then again 2 red beads. And I'm going in this direction through this red one. Okay? Now repeat this 3 more times, and then I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I'm just adding my last step from this row, and what I want to do is exit here where my next yellow is. Okay, then I will go through this red one here. Okay, and now I need 3 red beads. You see I'm exiting here at this red one, and what I want to do is go through this yellow bead here and pull gently. Then I will repeat this step. Okay, I'm taking 3 red beads and I'm going 1 bead before this yellow. Okay, then what I want to do is go 1 bead to the center of my work. Okay, and I need 3 red ones, and I'm going through this yellow. And I will take 3 more red beads and going through this red and the next yellow. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to continue this until I have my full circle of beads ready, and then I will be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm ready, and in my next step what I'm going to do is that I will go through this yellow one and through the next 3 red ones, and here I want to add just 1 yellow. Then I will go back through these 3 reds, and in this step I'm going to take 1 red, 1 yellow, and then again 1 red bead, and I'm going back through these red ones, through the 3 of them, taking 1 yellow and going through the next 3 red ones next to the yellow. Okay, this is what you have. Now I will take red, yellow and red, and I'm going back through these 3 beads here, just like that, and then I'm taking 1 yellow and going through the next 3 beads. Then again red, yellow and red, going through these 3 beads here. Okay, just like that. And then I need a yellow one, and I'm going through the next 3 again. Okay, and finish this row, and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I just added my last bead from this row, my last 3 beads I mean, and now I'm going in this direction, and I want to reach here my last yellow bead that I added. So I'm going through all of those beads here. Then I'm going through this yellow bead at the top. This is my goal. And what I want to do here from now on, I'm gonna be adding 3 beads. Okay, 3 beads, and I'm going through this red one, through the yellow one, and through the next red one. You see? Here in the center, red, yellow, and red. 3 beads. Okay? Okay. And I'm pulling gently. Then what I need are 3 more seed beads of this beautiful red color, and I'm taking 3 of them, going through this yellow, just like that. And what I need are 3 more. And the tricky part here is that you don't go through this yellow, but you go through the red before it, through the yellow, and through the next red. So this is how you go with your needle, through 3 beads. Okay, and this is what you have now, and I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay, 3 beads, going through this central one here, then again I need 3 beads, and I'm going through these 3 here in the middle, and I'm gonna continue adding more and more beads until my earring is ready, and I'll be back to tell you how to attach your clasp. Okay guys, and here I'm adding my last 3 beads, and I'm going through this yellow bead here in the center. Okay guys, and now I'm here at my yellow bead, and what I want to take is 1 red bead, my earring finding, and then again 1 red bead, and I will go back in circle through this yellow one here. And now this is what I have. I attached my ear wire, and I will go several times around this joint, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I went around several more times around this joint, and now what I want to do is go somewhere here and make my knots. Okay, I will choose a place, let's say here, and what I want to do is go through those beads and then make a loop, and then go once and go a second time through the same loop you've made, and make sure you're between those 2 beads where you started your knot from, and pull. Then continue and make it several more times, and when you're ready, cut your thread. Okay guys, and that's it. When I repeated all of those steps one more time, I have a pair of beautiful beaded earrings. If you like them and you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe. And if you want to support me and make me do more videos like this, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be really happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.